To run payroll reports, start by navigating to the Payroll Reports section in QBO. To access these reports, click on Reports from the left-hand menu. Scroll to the Payroll section or use the search bar to locate payroll-related reports. Choose from options like Recent Edited Time Activities by Employee Detail, Payroll Summary, Payroll Details, and Payroll Tax Liability. A payroll summary report provides an overview of payroll expenses, earnings, taxes, and deductions for a specific period. Choose the relevant period, such as weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Use customization options to filter by employee or any other criteria. Click on Run Report. You can also save the report to PDF or Excel or print it for your records. The payroll tax liability report shows total payroll taxes owed, including Social Security, Medicare, and federal or state income taxes, all crucial components for tax remittance planning. Set the date range for the report. View the breakdown by tax type, such as federal and state income taxes. Export the report for filing or share the details with an accountant. An employee earnings report details each employee's earnings, including regular pay, overtime, bonuses, and deductions. To run an employee earnings report, choose Employee Details from the Reports menu and select Employees to Review. And finally, you can save to PDF or Excel for easy access and sharing. An interesting update in QuickBooks is the addition of the Download Payroll Reports option. Through this, you can easily download multiple employers and employee reports simultaneously. Check the reports you would like to have and click Export to Excel.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel. Explore our videos and training sessions and decide what you want to learn next.